Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to, this is my day two. This is my second vlog of day in the life of NPTressTreats. So this just, thank you for watching if you're here. This is just some of the behind the scenes of what goes on at NPTressTreats, why I do what I do, like certain things that I do, example, the Imperfectly Perfect collection. Just showing you how I package some things. And yeah, so I recorded the outro. I just recorded the outro, and I'm recording the intro now. So I'm going to give you the review of the day again, because I said it in the outro. So anyway, the review of the day comes from Kate in California, and she was reviewing some pillowcases she purchased. She purchased 2 pillowcases, and she said, "Thank you for my pillowcases. I love them so much." I'm sorry. Thank you for my pillowcases. I love them so much. When I wake up in the morning, I no longer have dry skin. So thank you, Kate, for sending me that review, and thank you for watching. So here is a day in the life of NPTressTreats. Me. So today I'm going through and I'm deleting all of these sold out items from the one collection, and also marking down some one collection items. So yesterday I did not get around to any of this stuff, right? So I was supposed to, but life happened, and so I didn't get around to it. So I'm gonna get around to this stuff today, this cluster over here, and then this morning when I was in my office, what did I do? What did I do? Can you guess? I dropped my marking chalk, and so now it's all over the floor. So yeah, that's just, some of the stuff that goes down in my life. So yeah, so I'm about to work on this, do some markdowns on the website. Yeah, that's what's going on for today. What is it? December 31st. And so I'm gonna just take care of some year-end things. So if you're familiar with NPTressTreats and the Tranquility by NPTressTreats, which is the lavender scent. I call it the new bonnet smell. I have a big bottle here because I use a lot of it. So I spray it on your treats if you want. It is an option. So I made some treats yesterday. I washed them, and now I'm going to spray them. I'm going to give you a quick behind the scenes of spraying them. So literally just... So if you want that scent, it is an option. And also, I do sell it at NPTressTreats.com. All right, so I'm going to package one of the orders. I have the camera tilted up because I don't have a bra. So, one of the perks of working from home. So anyway, so this is the box that they go in. They are recyclable. So make sure you're using them to package another gift in or something like that. So so inside there's going to be a bonnet card, a bonnet care card, the do's and don'ts of your bonnet. You're going to get a satin storage bag to store your bonnet when you're not using it. All right, so we're going to package up the BAB bonnet. Again, BAB is the big bonnet size. And it does come with a matching mini scrunchie. So, I mean, just for size reference, so you can see it's pretty big. And then if you put it next to the medium one that I'm going to package next, you can see the difference. And if you watch yesterday's behind the scenes, you can see the difference as well. So I'm going to fold it, go ahead and add the scrunchie, and then put it in the box, and then put the lid on, like this. And then we're going to take some string here, tie it up. Okay, so it's tied. We're going to take the packaging here, and there's some info on the back. Just, you know, it says sleep cute, wake up cute. And then we're going to stick that through there. And then we're going to take my Made with Love little jewel here. So you can see. Oh, I don't even know how to Made with Love. So I'm going to take that, stick it on top. So you can see. And then we're going to put a cute little bunny ears on here. And voila, that is how it is wrapped. So I'm going to do another order. And then the other order is over $50. So orders that are over $50 do come with a cute scrunchie, a free scrunchie that says, "Hello, beautiful." Also today I'm going to be adding a bunch of items to the one collection. So I made a bunch of pillowcases because I'm adding pillowcases to the website, and I did put out a new YouTube video yesterday with some new pillowcases, but those pillowcases were just kind of like practice, and so some of them have minor flaws. When I say minor, I'm going to show you just an example of a flaw. So right here, see, I don't like the way it's sewn, right? So that's just one of the flaws. So I'm going to be adding these items to the one collection today. So I'm going to package the other scrunchie, the other bonnet, but I just wanted to show you, so this is a drawstring bonnet. So here's the drawstring. So you can adjust it to the size that you want, depending on, you know, some people like drawstring and some people don't. It's actually interesting because the orders are like half and half. Like when I started adding drawstring, I thought more people would want drawstring, but actually it's about half and half. So I'm adding some items to the Imperfectly Perfect collection. So just to give you an example of what are some issues with items in the Imperfectly Perfect collection. Typically it's like something that I made to kind of practice on, or something I made to add to the website, like to take a photo to add to the website, and I don't think that it's up to par to sell. So just an example. So the zipper here, I don't like the way it sticks out, right? So I like it to look clean, like how it looks clean on this side. So just an example. So this item is in the Imperfectly Perfect collection. Another example with scrunchies, I just don't like the stretch. It just doesn't stretch enough for me. So that's why, you know, this pack of scrunchies is available in the Imperfectly Perfect collection. So those are just some examples of what makes something imperfectly perfect to me. Okay, so I'm continuing to package orders, and then I'm adding things, like I said, to the Imperfectly Perfect collection. After this, I'm going to insert a little clip to talk a little bit about the Imperfectly Perfect collection and what makes something imperfectly perfect. So just to give you, so I'm packing these 2 orders here. Okay, so I'm going to continue packaging an order. So you have your receipt here. This receipt goes with that order. So I'm going to put your receipt inside. And then next, I'm going to give you a coupon for your next purchase. And then next, you're going to get a card that has a little mantra on the front. And then on the back, it has some info so you can write down. It says, "Celebrate who you are and pamper your hair along the way. Write a note to yourself celebrating who you are. You deserve it." So that's going to go in next, along with a little note just thanking you with a little free hair tie. And then if you like Tranquility and you get your item scented with the Tranquility scent, there's a little card here with some info, and then there's a coupon on the back for your Tranquility. And then here's another thank you card, just saying thank you, and then I write your name on there. So every order is literally packaged like that with so much love. Like, I'm so grateful for every order, so I do want you to know how much I appreciate you. So now I'm in my car to head to the post office to drop off my last orders of 2020, what year? 2024. I almost cried. It's so surreal. I can't believe it's the year's ending. But yeah, I'm on the way to the post office to drop these orders off. Thank you for being here. Oh, I forgot to do my review of the day. I just wrote this one down too. This review is from Kate in California. And she said that, she said thank you. She loves her satin pillowcases, and that she does not wake up with dry skin in the morning anymore. So yeah, so that's it. That is the review of the day. Thank you again for being here. Happy New Year. Love ya. Bye. Really quick. Fun fact. I just got to the post office and they're closed. They close at 12 today and it's 1. So yeah. So those orders are going to have to wait until Thursday.